Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the Samsung Jet 95 versus the Dyson v15. So if you don't know what these two offer, so the Samsung Jet 95 is a lightweight cordless vacuum featuring a 210 watt hexajet motor, multi-cyclonic filtration, and up to 60 minutes of runtime. Now the Dyson v15 Detect is a powerful cordless vacuum with a 240 watt suction, laser dust detection, and real-time particle analysis and intelligent suction adjustment. Now let's go over the pros and cons, starting with the Samsung Jet 95 here. So the pros of it is that it is lightweight in design, 144 kilograms handheld for easier maneuverability, and it also has strong suction power at 210 watts and up to 60 minutes of runtime. Now the cons of it is that it lacks advanced features like laser dust detection, fewer smart functionalities compared to the Dyson. Now let's go over the pros and cons of Dyson here, starting with the pros. So the pros of it is that it has higher suction power of 240 watts. Laser technology reveals microscopic dust particles and intelligent suction adjustment based on debris detected. Now the cons of it is that it is heavier than some competitors, approximately 2.8 kilograms, and it is also more expensive at a higher price point. Now, which one is right for you? So you should choose the Samsung Jet 95 if you prioritize lightweight design and strong suction for everyday cleaning tasks, and opt for the Dyson v15 if you desire advanced features like laser dust detection and intelligent suction adjustment for a deeper clean. So yeah, that is basically it. So that is the difference between the Jet 95 from Samsung and the V15 from Dyson. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.